Department of Education aims to equip teachers to facilitate learning and constantly nurture every Filipino learners amidst pandemic. In line with this, the 4 schools in Kawayan West District, under the leadership of instructional coach, Ma'am Mary Jane Odtuhan, a Principal 1 of Palanas North District, conducted its session on School Learning Action Cell on learning delivery modalities Course 2 for teachers under the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan, BELCP, at their respective schools on October 29 to November 10, 2020. Instructional coach Ma'am Mary Jane Odtuhan gave her message about the journey of the course.
Brilliant and dazzling is DS Madam Nene R. Mereules, CISO 5, with her 2 ASDS, Sir Nong Cantonhos, CESO 6, and Sir Mel Tongko, the support to make SD Masbate Province recognize the value of flexibility of teaching learning process in the line with the provision of DepEd Order Number 12, Series 2020, BELCP, or the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan. Our standstill CID Chief, Madam Dorothy L. Daniel, with her support, the academic expert of the LDM program's Senior Education Specialist, Ma'am Melody Vargas, and Sir Paul Joen Blancaber, with her to assist in the architect of cascading learning delivery modalities implementations. To the Kawayan West District PSDS, my true and real friend Gina Villester, who is in one way or the other, welcomes us with generosity and with a big heart, since for the fact we as her IC assigned came from a distant municipality of Palanas and Katayngan. With me together on our rides, a very strong woman with conviction in coaching Madam Maria Lisa G. Drogo, Principal 1 of Tagbuan Elementary School. I love you all. Taking and embracing responsibilities is one and for all our main purpose why we are in the system. Without too much issues, comments, and challenges as we are, we wholeheartedly engage and love the assignments due for us as we are from our division coach Team Sarsuelo of Palanas South to bring and deliver the real purpose of what LDM Course 2 should be achieved. Even if we are mandated to perform the coaching remotely, still with enthusiasm and confidence, and because we want to touch the lives of each LAC leaders and teachers assigned to us, I and my partner, best of friends, reach the schools and meet everyone and let them feel the inspiration in performing their to be discovered outputs along the prescribed allotment. And because of these efforts, we've done our role. We all together hit the purpose of this program with inspiration in our hearts, thanking each other in clearing cobwebs that at first all of us felt, welcoming the queries arising along the duration of the course, provided a crystal clear scenarios that each teacher will do. Relax and with a systematic completion, with worth receiving of a certificate to be issued by the NIAP-R or the National Educators Academy of the Philippines, Region 5, and that forms part of our CPD, Continuing Professional Development, which is now required by PRC. Expressing my deepest thanks to how our team successfully complied the required outputs. The very participative teachers of San Vicente Elementary School, led by a Master Teacher 1, Mary Ann C. Maranan, well-designed outputs and artistic teachers of Recodo Elementary School, led by Master Teacher Marcy Pitogo, with correspondence video presents a journalistic stylist teachers of Guillaume Elementary School, led by an ICT experts, Teacher 3, Serodel Monteroyo, and keep the most of it with a prepared video of their Central School of Kawayan West, panoramic view, and with all positive testimonies of their LAC leaders led by Master Teacher 1, Pearly Lubitania. My salute and love to work is present to this team. From Confucius, I declare, if you are positive, you'll see opportunities instead of obstacles. My congratulations and God will always bless.
The educational system is greatly affected due to COVID-19 pandemic, and it brought many challenges to teachers, parents, learners, and to all nations. As LAC leader of Kawayan West Central School, Ferly Lubitania expresses her insights on this LDM Course 2 for teachers.
Due to COVID-19 outbreak, the educational system is greatly affected, making school year 2020-2021 shifted to distance learning modality. The shift of the teaching learning delivery in schools to modular distance learning is very challenging. Hence, LDM Course 2 is designed. In this course, we are trained to be more equipped with teaching skills and abilities for the continued implementation of the learning modalities used in this new normal setting. Because of this course, we gained more insights on how to become more effective in implementing the different distance learning modalities amidst the pandemic that we are facing. The learnings that we gained will be our guide to continue to perform our duties and responsibilities in delivering quality basic education during this time of global health crisis. This course has been very meaningful to us. Our willingness to embrace something new and the desire to strengthen our knowledge and skills have been developed. We are very much thankful to our DepEd leaders for always finding avenues to make us more effective in the field of modular distance learning.
Proving his ability to lead, Guillaume Elementary School LAC leader Rodel Monteroyo expresses his experiences in leading his group and extending his words of acknowledgement.
Leading a group of people, whether it may be a small or large group, is difficult. Definitely because you are dealing with different kinds of people having different characteristics, and because you cannot please anybody. That is why when Mom Gina T. Velister, our PSDS, told me that I'll be the LAC leader in our school in place of our Master Teacher 1, who is on a maternity leave, I was so challenged yet happy for the responsibility and opportunity given to me. Even though I am young enough to lead, but I am willing to do everything that I can to make my group not only successful, but most successful. That is why I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to my PSDS, Ma'am Gina T. Velister, for the trust and confidence given to me to be the LAC leader in our school. The Learning Action Cell sessions that we had in our school, which focuses on the learning delivery modalities course 2 for teachers, is really a great help to all teachers because it provides them the wide knowledge and skills needed in coping up the changes in the education system brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. We learned a lot from this course, and I am pretty sure that my team digested all the most important inputs in this course, which will help them in their continuous delivering of quality instructions to their learners through the printed SLM's modules to be distributed to the parents and retrieved from them weekly for checking of answers and feedbacking purposes. I am so overwhelmed seeing the eagerness of my team in doing the tasks assigned to them and by complying the needed outputs ahead of time, which also enables me to submit our group outputs before the given due date. I am so lucky and grateful leading a group having a responsible, patient, and above all, active members who really love what they are doing through active participation and collaboration from the very start of our LAC session until the last day of our LAC. I am also thankful to my instructional coach, Ma'am Mary Jane A. Utuhan, Principal 1, who are always there giving encouragement and motivation all the time. Her constant encouragement and guidance helped me to boost my confidence in doing my role and responsibilities as a LAC leader. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless you always. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my school head, Mr. Ruben Velasquez, for backing me up, especially when there is a need for further clarification on the things that I find it hard to explain among the group. Thank you so much, sir. I do believe that this LDM course too for teachers will help a lot in ensuring quality education. All we have to do is to adapt the changes and love our profession. So, in behalf of Guillaume Elementary School team, this is Rodel B. Monteroyo saying thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Her dedication to the course contributed a lot to the success of her group. According to Ma'am Mary Ann Maranan, LAC leader of San Vicente Elementary School.
If the DepEd aims for the continuous learning of pupils, teachers also do the same. We have the professional growth and development through the implementation of learning delivery modalities for teachers course 2. The journey of SVR team to LDM course 2 was such a brain-squeezing and stressful experience since we teachers were also provided with self-learning modules. So many question marks were encountered on the activities, confusions on how to answer the questions. Sleepless nights were spent setting aside the other works just to get focused on this task, since the time frame is not that long. I had a hard time completing my outputs, although I don't have enough knowledge and skills in using computer, so I struggled a lot, just like my other members in the group. But we did our very best sa abot ng aming makakaya. We were able to finish working with our portfolio artistically and the study notebook with creativity. The SVR team is very thankful and very much grateful to our very supportive instructional coach, Ma'am Jane. Thank you so much for guiding us from Module 1 to Module 5. You were always there for us, giving us updates, reminders, inspiring words, encouragement, and motivations that keep us going. For in this course, more discoveries and realizations were undertaken that play a significant role in the field of teaching. God bless us.
Words of acknowledgement is what LAC leader Marciana Pitogo expresses in behalf of Recodo team.
In my team in Recodo Elementary School, teachers, they are the key factors in making these delivery modalities successful through the help and guidance of my instructional coach, Ma'am Mary Jane Utuhan. All the members were able to give their thoughts and ideas. Collaboration and participation of everyone was evident. I salute you, ma'am, as an IC. There were times our queries, concerns regarding LDM2, you are always here, 24/7. You never fail us. Once again, I would like to thank you on behalf of Recodo team. Thank you very much, ma'am. More power and mabuhay.
To succeed, we must do something. Let's help each other's win, for we win as one amidst crisis. This is Lourdes Kasumpang reporting from Guillaume Elementary School, Kawayan West District. Maging positibo sa lahat ng panahon.